Hello students, we are going to begin with the new lesson altitudes and medians of a triangle. In the previous standard we have learned that bisectors of angles of a triangle as well as the perpendicular bisector of its sides are concurrent. So in the 7th standard in the first lesson we have studied two properties, one for angle bisectors and one for perpendicular bisector. So in any triangle, when we draw angle bisectors of all the three angles, this is the angle bisector of P angle, this is the angle bisector of angle Q, and this is the angle bisector of angle R. So when we draw the angle bisectors of all three angles of a triangle, we observe that the angle bisectors are concurrent, means they pass through the same point, and this point of concurrence is called as incenter. That's why it is denoted by I. And same is the property with perpendicular bisector. If we draw perpendicular bisectors of any triangle, acute angle, obtuse angle or right angle, then the perpendicular bisectors of the sides, they are also concurrent, means they intersect at the same point, and this point is called as circumcenter. Okay, so these two things, incenter and circumcenter, we have already studied in the previous class. Incenter means when we draw angle bisectors of all the angles, and circumcenter means we get it when we draw the perpendicular bisectors of all the sides. Okay, so now we have to study about the altitudes. What do you mean by altitudes? So what is the meaning of altitude? Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Any triangle is there, ABC. If we draw a perpendicular means what? Which intersects another segment at 90 degree. So if we draw a perpendicular segment from one vertex to the opposite side, okay, if we draw a perpendicular from one vertex of a triangle upon the other opposite side, this perpendicular segment is called the altitude of the triangle. Altitude means actually nothing but the height of something. Okay, perpendicular distance means also height only. So altitude is another word for height. For example, we have heard about altitudes of mountains, etc. So altitude means nothing but height, and height is measured by taking the perpendicular distance. So this is a perpendicular from point A onto its opposite side. Similarly, we can draw from B also perpendicular. Suppose from B if a perpendicular is drawn, then this is also the altitude, and from C also we can draw the altitude. Altitude means what? Perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex of a triangle on the opposite side to it. It is called as altitude of the triangle. Now we have to learn how to draw the altitudes. Altitudes means what? Nothing but the perpendicular. So suppose this is a triangle and we have to draw the altitudes of the triangle. So one method is you can use protractor, and the second method is we can use the set square for drawing the perpendicular segments. So what we will do? Suppose from point A we have to draw altitude on the side BC. From point A we have to draw altitude on the side BC. So what we will do? First we will keep the protractor, the base of the protractor on the side BC, like this. The base of the set square should completely lie on the side BC. Both should overlap each other. Now what you will do? Slowly you will shift this set square up to point A. The other side of the set square should lie on the point A. एक साइड हमारी रहेगी BC के ऊपर, मीन्स उस साइड के ऊपर जिसके ऊपर हमें परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है, और दूसरी साइड हमारी होगी उस पॉइंट के ऊपर जिस पॉइंट से, जिस वर्टेक्स से हमें परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है. सो लाइक दिस शुड बी द पोजीशन ऑफ द सेट स्क्वायर. ओके, and then what we will do, we will just draw a perpendicular from point A, and we will remove the set square and we will just extend it. So this is the altitude. Now we will draw the altitude from vertex B. So from vertex B, first what you will do, you will keep the set square on AC, exactly on AC. Then you will shift it slowly so that the other side will lie on the point B. One side should be on AC and other side should be on B, and simply draw the perpendicular and join it till AC like this. Now we have to draw the altitude for AB. AB is remaining now. BC completed, AC completed. Now we have to draw the perpendicular on the side AB from the point C. So first we will keep the set square on AB, slowly shift it so that other side should be on point C, and join it. So this is the altitude from point C. Now what do you observe after drawing all the three altitudes? All the three altitudes, they intersect on the same point, and this point of concurrence of the altitudes of a triangle is called as orthocenter. It is called as orthocenter, and that's why it is denoted by the letter O. Okay, this point is called as orthocenter. That's why it is denoted by the point O. Like this you can draw the altitudes of a triangle. So your homework is that draw any triangle of your choice without measuring and try to draw the altitudes of that triangle. So this you have to do for any two triangles, means you have to do the practice for two different triangles, means 2 times. Understood? So this is the altitudes and its property. Thank you.